bawat 10 grade 11 students sa bansa ay mahina pa rin daw ang reading comprehension.
Self-rated poverty in the Philippines is at its highest in 21 years.
Mahigit 400 proyekto kontra baha sa buong bansa ang kumpirmadong guni-guni lang o ghost projects.
At ang ngiti ng may kapal, taglay ng bawat nilalang.
Every time I see this, I just wonder, how on earth does it all work? It all makes sense to somebody.
Kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo yan.
Ang mga bata po ngayon, sad to say, you are weak.
Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Dito ay itinadhana. Araw-buwan at mga tala. Ganap na magniningning. Kailan may di magdidilim.
Yeah, if you know what I'm talking about. Suitcase in the house with the party sound. First choice, first love, if you ask the crowd. Come on, shout it out. Everybody's gonna dance to this. I see the whole.
Meron tayong mas malaking kaway kaysa mga Amerikano. Ang ating sarili.
Drama and chucking them just Philippines, throwing out that. The world keeps talking, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. Piliin mo